my name's Austin, and I do Salesforce admin work here at GenServe, and we're a generator sales and maintenance company, private equity-backed company, and part of what we do is, some acquisition, discovery as well, other companies, and this custom program we made in Salesforce helps us with that, tracking those companies we might be interested in prospecting. However, getting that information into a nice PDF document or report is difficult. If you've spent any time in Salesforce, they don't have built-in PDF exports, so that's where Docs Made Easy. And there was several things I had questions on, but the support team has been really good to work with. They've done video calls with me and have helped me with my questions. So that's been a good experience so far.